Hi guys, it's Avalon. I'm here today to show you my full hair care routine for repairing damage and growing hair long. If you've ever struggled with hair growth or damage like me, you'll want to keep watching. After years of box dyeing my hair and using excessive heat on my hair, I had to cut a whole 10 inches off due to damage. My plan was to grow it out again, but it wouldn't budge. I continued to dye it, use products full of toxins, and heat style it every day. It wasn't until I took a break from heat styling and switched to natural products that I finally saw progress. My number one tip for restoring your hair health is to switch to natural products. Conventional products are full of synthetic ingredients that make your hair look pretty on the outside, but do nothing to nourish it from the inside. The Innate Life products have worked wonders for my hair because they are filled with nourishing and reparative ingredients. Once a week, I make sure to perform a scalp massage with the Innate Life scalp treatment for normal hair. I've been using this product for over a year now, and it has helped my hair overcome a serious growth stunt. I start by sitting in a comfortable position and brushing out any tangles I have in my hair. I always use a wooden brush and make sure to be gentle because my hair is quite fine and prone to breakage. Next, I'll part my hair in the middle and apply a pea-sized amount of the scalp treatment directly onto my scalp. Once I'm finished with this section, I will part my hair off in 1-inch sections until I've applied the product to my scalp on the left and the right side of my head. The back can be a little trickier, so I like to put my hair half up and apply the treatment directly to my scalp. Once I feel like the scalp is covered, I will massage the product in for 3 to 5 minutes. This is a crucial step of the treatment in stimulating the hair follicles and making sure the product's nutrients are delivered to the scalp. Next, I follow up with the Innate Life Herbal Hair Mask on the midsection to the ends of my hair. This has been my go-to product for repairing damage and bringing my hair back to life. Since I've limited my heat use and started using this product weekly, my natural hair texture has improved drastically. I apply a generous amount to the ends of my hair, and once my hair is saturated with the products, I will place it up into a bun and let it soak overnight. I love leaving any sort of treatment in overnight because I feel like it really has the time to soak in and repair my hair. And in the morning, I can tell the difference when I've left it on overnight versus a couple hours because my hair feels so deeply hydrated and overall just so much healthier. The next day, I'll shower and wash the products out using the Innate Life shampoo. I love this stuff, guys. This product lathers just like conventional shampoo and gets rid of any product buildup I have without over drying, which is really important for me because my hair is naturally very dry. To get the scalp treatment out completely, I will often shampoo twice. If I feel like my hair is really dry, I will follow up with the Innate Life conditioner on my ends. The hair mask does a great job of hydrating dry hair, so I'll usually skip this step if I have the mask in. After my shower, I've been using the Art Naturals Argan leave-in conditioner on the midsection to the ends of my hair. My hair has been extremely dry due to the long winter we've experienced in Canada this year, so I'll take all the hydration I can get. This isn't the cleanest product out there, but it does contain some great natural ingredients. I'm currently on the hunt for a new one if anyone has any recommendations. Lately, I've been experimenting with heatless hairstyles as a way to protect my hair from damage. I found that this headband trick works great for curling my hair without the heat. I like to do this on damp hair while I'm getting ready and doing my makeup. What you need to do this is a soft and stretchy headband you can wear around your head. Next, I'll take 1-inch sections of hair and wrap them around the headband until I've reached the end of the section, finishing at the nape of my neck. You'll continue like this until all your hair is wrapped. Like I said before, you can sleep in it or you can let it set for just a couple hours. I prefer just a couple hours because it's easier that way. Once my hair is completely dry, I'll start to unravel the strands to reveal big bouncy curls without the heat. If I feel like I need a little touch up here or there, I will use heat, but this style allows me to really limit my heat and still have great looking hair. To make this look even more glamorous, I like to finish it off with a couple drops of the Innate Life Rose Hair Elixir. It makes my hair so soft and shiny and it smells absolutely divine. I will apply the Rose Hair Elixir daily just to keep my locks looking healthy and hydrated. This style will last me for days as long as I sleep with my hair protected in a silk scarf or high ponytail. And that's it for my hair care routine. I only wash my hair twice a week and try to limit heat styling as much as I can. I keep my products quite minimal as I find this is what works best for my hair. Choosing products that contain high-quality natural ingredients has changed my hair inside and out, and I find I don't need as many products to make it look good. I've included all the product links in the description box, and I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Bye for now!